Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly set up two-factor authentication on your Facebook profile page. Now, the primary reason what you want to do this is one, so your account doesn't get flagged and get deleted, and two, if you're running ads or any kind of Facebook business pages, the associated pages don't get flagged as well. So here's what we got to do. The first step is logging into Facebook, and then right now I'm already in the settings area. So what you need to do is look in the top right corner. Facebook changes up things a little bit, so sometimes this might be different, but you should see your picture possibly, or it might be in this drop down. So first click this little arrow here and you should see your account. This might look a little different as well. That's okay. Then you want to click settings. So settings and privacy. So once you get into settings, you're going to get to this page. You'll actually come to general. I'm already in this area. You want to click security and login. So you'll be on the left hand side on this tab, the second one down. Typically security and login. It might be a little bit different as well. So click that. Now in this area you're going to see several things you can do. You'll first see the areas you're logged into. I recommend you check that out. You can see that I have several. One is an iPhone, one's a computer. That's okay. Facebook expects you to have multiple ones like that. But what you may have two active as well. I only have one. Now, if you have multiple active in different locations, that's a bad thing. What that tells Facebook is other people might be trying to log into your account. You might have actually given them access to your account, which is also not good either. So if that's the case, log out of all those sessions, reset your password, and then log back in. Okay? If you only have one, that's fine. Scroll back down now. Here, if you want to change your password, you can do that. But here's where we want to go to is two-factor authentication and extra security. We want to go down these and add multiple things so that we have two-factor authentication. What that means is if someone tries to log into your account, you get a text or another app to actually log in. So go here and click edit. If it's not on, you can click edit. If I do it, it's going to make me enter my password and go through the steps. I've already done it. But what you can do is click edit. Now you can either choose, typically right now it's either an app, choose another app, or a text. I like to do a text, but whatever you want. If you choose SMS text, it's going to ask you for the phone number. It's going to send you a text. You got to verify that, and then you'll have it on. You can also, at the same time, when you're in that, you can check out authorized logins and passwords and stuff like that. Also, here's what I want you to do is set up extra security. So click this edit again. I'm not going to do it myself because I'll have to enter my password, but you can get alerts. So go ahead and choose a few. For instance, if someone tries to log in, it'll send you a notification on Facebook, on Messenger, to an email. So choose those. You can also choose some friends. Sometimes this doesn't work as well, but if it does, you can also choose some friends, for instance, probably family members, to send you a code in case you get logged out. So those are the big things right there. This literally takes 2 to 3 minutes. You can also do some of these other things as well, but the big thing in right now is two-factor authentication, extra security, and making sure that you don't have logins in multiple places across the US at the same time, for instance, or the world. So hope that helped. Go ahead and take care of that stuff and avoid getting your account flagged or deleted. Okay, take care guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.